Good morning, guys. So I got a little bit of cleaning to do. I lied. I have a lot of bit of cleaning to do. Way more than I want to do right now. And here he comes. So we're going to tackle some of this cleaning before my mom gets here. She goes, really? Really, Jazz? This how you living? I don't need none of that. I don't need none of it. So let's get it tackled. Oh, by the way, ignore the hair. I'm doing it today. So that's why I look like I ain't got no hair on my head. It's braided to the back. I'm gonna fix it. I promise. So let me show you guys what we're working with. Alrighty, so my munchkin's probably gonna step over and help. I just want to show you guys what we're working with. Yes, my kitchen looks like it's been trashed. I decided not to do anything over the weekend. That was a mistake. I will never do it again. So here's my kitchen in all of its terrible, chaotic glory. And we're gonna make this thing look better. Because right now, it don't look good at all. It doesn't look good. So the first thing I'm going to tackle is my dishes, you guys. This is the most tedious part of cleaning up. Anytime I actually clean up my whole house, the dishes take me the longest amount of time. It's like an hour. My little one likes to help me unload the dishwasher, and it's just the reloading that just drags on forever. But it needs to get done, so I'm going to tackle this thing right now. What's the most tedious part of cleaning your house? Let me know down in the comments below. to me sweeping the floor, I needed to get into the cracks and crevices. My vacuum does not get there. So I just went ahead and swept today. It was just much easier than using the vacuum. And sometimes I feel like the vacuum be missing stuff. I don't want that to happen. But this part is exciting, you guys. I finally got a steam mop, you guys. This is a Shark steam mop. It is really easy to use, you guys, and it did such a great job. I'm going to leave it down in the comments, or not in the comments, what am I talking about? In the description below, in case you want to purchase it for yourself, you guys. It was like 50 bucks. It was a really good find, and I got to do my entire house. The floors dried quickly and everything turned out nice and tidy as I love, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everybody.